everybody? Welcome to a brand new day here. I hope you guys are enjoying it so far, because I know I am. This is a beautiful day. Unfortunately, we are unable to pick up the Bronco later today, which is unfortunate. Okay, as you'll gather from the intro here, we will not be able to pick up the Bronco today, as it turns out, because the mechanic who was working on it ended up in a really bad car accident. He was hurt pretty bad, and his wife was hurt even worse, because she now has to learn to walk all over again. And sorry guys, but yeah, we are unable to pick up the Bronco. Let's just look in the positive light though, guys. At least he owns a vehicle. Robbie, I mean. And I have a recommendation for this mechanic shop he's at, that they hire someone as an extra for when one of their current employees can't make it and work for the day. Well, here's the early onset of the tropical storm, guys. One of its arms has hit us. Thankfully, this is not the worst of it, and we aren't going to be getting the worst of it. Well, guys, this particular stretch of rain is done, but later tonight, we're looking at some pretty violent winds and extremely heavy rain. Because the wind is supposed to be 69 miles an hour with gusts of up to 86 miles an hour. That's dangerously close to Category 1 hurricane. That is dangerously close. But the good thing about it is once it makes landfall, it's actually going to drop down a lot. So yeah, it's not, hopefully it won't be that bad when it reaches us. That's definitely something to worry about. That's guaranteed. Well guys, I can honestly tell you what we've experienced so far is just an inkling of what we can expect going forward. That whole spot there is in water, under where that mattress is. I don't know if you guys can see it. Find a spot that's clear of water and let you guys see it from a better angle. See that reflection down there? That's the water. There's even water there, over in towards the middle here. You can see all the light from over that way, and from that way. You can, yeah. What we've experienced so far is just an inkling of what's to come. If anything, I'm probably gonna well, I can tell you one thing, guys. We do have the flood barrier up in front of our room and the room next door. So we did do something. Nice, and jeez. That ain't good. That room has a new AC in it, which means the rain is getting in there. That's not good. Well, this is it. Just the early onset of it. But the good thing is we have this set up. Well guys, that concludes today's vlog. So if you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on post notifications. That way you can all be notified of every new video on my channel. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed your day.
stay motivated, and I will see you next video.